Thank you to all of you who tune in and even subscribe to our channel. Our organic growth is attributed to your patronage. You're tired of feeling cold to the bone in this freezing weather? Grab something hot, because we're about to share 10 foods that warm you up in no time and help you stay warm from the inside out. There's nothing like a hot bowl of soup to warm you up real fast on a cold day. And it's not just comfort. The water and sodium in hot broth help you stay hydrated and hold on to fluids. When you're even a little dehydrated, you can feel colder and more drained. If you add some protein and something starchy, like chicken and noodles, your body has fuel to burn even after the bowl is gone, keeping you warm longer. Ginger is one of the quickest ways to give you a warm, fuzzy feeling from the inside out. It has natural compounds that boost circulation, which is why ginger tea feels so good on a cold day. Put a few slices of fresh ginger into hot water and let it steep for about 10 minutes. Add lemon and a little honey if you want. And if you're already making soup, toss a few slices in the pot. It adds flavor and makes the whole bowl feel warmer. Spicy chili and cayenne peppers warm you up fast because capsaicin basically convinces the heat receptors in your body that they are feeling heat. That's why you get that instant warm glow, and you might even break a little sweat. Just add a tiny pinch of cayenne or chili flakes to any savory dish, and make sure to start small and build up. And if you're feeling really adventurous, make a spicy hot chocolate. Just keep in mind, spicy foods are best for warming up indoors. If you're outside in freezing wind, too much spice can make you sweat, and sweat can cool you down. Oatmeal is one of the best cold weather breakfasts because it gives you steady fuel. The fiber in oats slows digestion, so your energy lasts longer, and that steady energy helps your body keep producing heat. If you want it to really hold you down, cook it thick and add something with fat and protein, like nut butter or chopped nuts. And don't skip the tiny pinch of salt. It makes oatmeal taste richer instead of flat. Beans and lentils are real winter all-stars. They're loaded with fiber and protein, plus slow-digesting carbs. That mix keeps you full and fueled for hours, which is exactly what you want when it's freezing. If you're in a hurry, canned beans are just fine. Just rinse them, throw them into a soup, and you've instantly upgraded it into a stay-warm meal. If you have time, a simple bean chili is one of the best winter foods you can make. Potatoes and sweet potatoes are truly underrated cold weather heroes. They give you solid, steady carbs your body can burn for heat, and they're especially good when you're going to be out in the cold for a while. Bake one, add a little butter or olive oil, and you're good to go. Or upgrade your stew with a few diced potatoes and turn it into an A+ cold weather meal. Protein, like eggs, chicken, turkey, beef, tofu, or Greek yogurt, is warming because it has a higher thermic effect than fat and carbs. That means your body burns more energy just digesting it, and that digestion work creates extra heat. The easiest winter combo is warm protein in a bowl, egg drop soup, chicken and rice, turkey chili, or a simple stew. You'll feel warmer and you'll stay full longer, which is exactly what you want when it's freezing. Nuts and nut butters make a perfect cold weather snack because they're compact and energy dense. You get healthy fats and some protein, which means steady fuel without needing a huge portion. If you're heading outside, this is the ideal quick bite on the go to help you brave the cold. A handful of trail mix or a spoon of peanut butter can help keep your energy up, and energy is what keeps you warm. Fatty fish is always a winning meal option on a cold day. The combo of protein and healthy fats keeps you satisfied and steady, which helps your body maintain warmth longer than a light meal. To make it even more effective, add some complex carbs, like brown rice, quinoa, oats, or roasted sweet potatoes. Those slow-digesting carbs make the meal last even longer, giving your body steady fuel to burn for heat, so you stay warm longer instead of feeling hungry or chilly again an hour later. Warming spices like cinnamon, cloves, black pepper, mustard, and horseradish are your best friends and secret weapons to help you beat the cold. They contain natural compounds that flip on your body's heat-sensing nerve receptors, the same ones that react to real heat. Some of these compounds have also been shown to slightly bump up energy burn after a meal, which means a little extra heat production on top of the warm sensation. And the best part is, they don't just warm you up. They make everything taste richer and smell incredible, turning simple dishes into real comfort food. As you can see, beating the cold starts with the right fuel. If you want us to present something specific, leave a note in the comments. Stay warm and subscribe for more practical health tips.